Looking after your parents is a sign of success. Not a sign of success in the akhirah, no. It is a sign of success in the dunya before the akhirah. Or 12 qualities of successful people. One key quality about that is to be a thankful person. To be a thankful person. To know how to say thank you to others. If you don't know how to say thank you to others, and you feel and you appreciate others, then there is a huge deficiency in your personality, and you will not be a true successful person. You need to fix this point, this deficiency. And subhanallah, if you would like to say thank you to others, the first person to say thank you to is your parents, is your mother, is your father. If you don't know how to say thank you to them, then it is very unlikely that you will be able to say thank you to others. The first one that we need to be thankful to is Allah Jalla wa Ala. And then after thanking Allah Jalla wa Ala, we need to be thankful to our parents.